مرحبا أهلا وسهلا أنا جهيد. Hi, how are you? I'm Jahid. Welcome to my channel. Let's learn Arabic with Jahid Institute of International Languages. In this lesson, we will learn about possessive pronouns in Arabic. Are you ready? Let's start. First of all, what is a possessive pronoun? A possessive pronoun in Arabic is a pronoun that is used to express the ownership or possession. Let's look at the following examples. Possessive pronouns in Arabic is الضمائر المتصلة بالحروف or الضمائر المتصلة بالحروف. Let's analyze it. الضمائر, it means pronouns. المتصلة or المتصلة, it means attached or related. بالحروف or بالحروف, it means to letters. لي, it means mine, for masculine and feminine. لك, it means yours, for masculine. لك, it means yours, for feminine. لكما, لكما, it means yours, for two persons, maybe male or female. لكم, it means yours, for masculine plural. لكن, لكن, yours, for feminine plural. له, it means his, for masculine. لها, it means hers, for feminine. له, it means its, for masculine nouns. لها, it means its, for feminine nouns. لنا, it means ours, for masculine and feminine nouns. لهما, it means theirs, for two persons, maybe male or female. لهم, it means theirs, for masculine. لهن, it means theirs, for feminine. هذا البيت لي. هذا البيت لي. هذا البيت لي, it means this home is mine. هذا البيت لك or هذا البيت لك, it means this home is yours. هذا البيت لك or هذا البيت لك, it means this home is yours. هذا البيت لكما, it means this home is yours. هذا البيت لكم, it means this home is yours. هذا البيت لكن, it means this home is yours. هذا البيت له or هذا البيت له. It means this home is his. هذا البيت لها. It means this home is hers. هذا البيت له or هذا البيت له. It means this home is its. هذا البيت لها. It means this home is it. هذا البيت لنا. It means this home is ours. هذا البيت لهم. It means this home is theirs. هذا البيت لهن. It means this home is theirs. شكرا لكم. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.